In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta AI on WhatsApp. Once Meta AI is available in your WhatsApp account, you can use it in a few different ways to get quick help right inside the app. It can answer questions, help you come up with ideas, translate text, summarize information, and in some regions, even generate images. The best part is that you can use it without leaving WhatsApp, which makes it very convenient for everyday tasks. Let's start with a direct chat with Meta AI. Open WhatsApp, then look for the Meta AI icon, which usually appears as a blue or purple circle, or open the Meta AI chat if it's already visible in your chat list. If it's your first time using the feature, you may see a few prompts on screen. Go ahead and accept them to continue. After that, type your question or request into the message box and send it. From there, you can keep chatting with Meta AI just like you would in a normal conversation. You can ask follow-up questions, clarify your request, or build on the previous response to get more useful results. Another way to use Meta AI is through the search feature in WhatsApp. Open the app and tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Then enter a question or prompt, just as you normally would. When the Meta AI option appears, select it and continue the conversation there. This is a great option if you want to quickly search for something and then turn that search into a more interactive chat. You can also use Meta AI inside individual chats and group chats. Open any conversation in WhatsApp, then type @Meta AI followed by your question. For example, you might type @Meta AI suggest a weekend workout plan. Once you send the message, Meta AI will respond directly within that conversation. This can be especially helpful in group chats when everyone is planning something together and needs quick suggestions or information. As for what you can ask, there are plenty of useful options. You can ask Meta AI to answer questions and explain topics in simple terms. You can use it to translate text between languages, brainstorm ideas, write drafts, create travel itineraries, or summarize information. If image generation is available in your version, you may also be able to ask it to create images. Some example prompts include translating "good morning" into Japanese, planning a 3-day trip to Cebu, giving you 10 dinner ideas with chicken, or explaining how solar panels work. The clearer your prompt is, the better your result will usually be. And that's how to use Meta AI on WhatsApp.